Welcome, beauty lovers. Get ready for an extraordinary journey as I take you through this stunning makeup tutorial. Don't forget to hit that like button, follow me for more incredible content, and subscribe to my channel to stay up to date with the latest trends and tutorials. Now, let's dive in. On creating this stunning makeup look, I started by setting my brows in place with Ashante Sharif Brow Gel. While it sets, I applied the B3 dry oil to provide moisture to my skin before foundation application. Once the oil is absorbed, I reach for the Ashante Sharif foundation and concealer duo, which is dynamic by the way, in the shade Bronze Heat, using it to even out my complexion and conceal any imperfections. To add definition and enhance the natural light on my face, I utilized the Makeup by Mario Sculpting Cream in dark. I follow up by applying the Too Faced Born This Way concealer in caramel using the Cosette brush in 165, S165, and to blend it seamlessly. To the gods! Bringing back color to my face, I reach for the DANESSA MYRICKS Dewy Cheeks and Lip Palette. I love the deep coral shade, Sweet Cheeks, which I apply with my fingertips for a seamless and natural finish. To set everything in place, I use the Hourglass Vanish powder, applying it with the Cosette brush S165. Again. Oh yeah, I forgot. I completely forgot to tell you that, guys. I was going on a date. Yes, me on a date. And I was in Miami and I forgot to bring a powder blush. So I got creative and I used my Anastasia Beverly Hills eyeshadow palette in RIVIERA. I applied the shade Coastline using my Kitco brush in 0.11, not only on my cheeks but also on my eyes, blending it out with circular motions for a beautiful and harmonious look. Returning to my brows, I rely on my favorite product, the Benefit Precisely My Brow Pencil Waterproof Eyebrow Definer in 4.5. I find it incredibly easy to use and it stays put throughout the day. I start in the middle, working my way towards the tail of the brow and softly blending upwards. For stunning lashes, I highly recommend the One Size Mascara. It doesn't smudge and it has impressive staying powers. Oh my gosh, you don't know how much I need that. Now onto the fun part. I applied a Kiss lash glue to my eyes, allowing it to become tacky before delicately placing the rhinestone. While the glue sets, I adorn my lips with the Makeup Forever Artist Pencil and Limitless Brown. Followed by my beloved Gucci nude lipstick and Penny Beige. A touch of gloss from Fenty Beauty's Gloss Bomb completes the lip look. To apply the rhinestones, I rely on the Pick Me Up tool, which I got on Amazon for $7. It makes the process a breeze, especially when it's time is essence, like when my husband want to rush me for our date night. To ensure my masterpiece stays intact, I spray the Charlotte Tilbury setting spray, locking in the entire look with a touch of finesse. Thank you for joining me on this glittering adventure. I hope you enjoyed this rhinestone makeup tutorial and discovered new ways to express your creativity. If you love this tutorial, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Follow my page for more fabulous content and subscribe to my channel to never miss a beat. Feel free to share your thoughts, questions, or requests in the comments below. Your support means the world to me. Until next time, keep shining and stay beautiful.